breakfast time. This is my breakfast today. Taylor pork roll, or Taylor ham as some people call it. Did you ever have pork roll? I had it a few times. I'm going to have it on a bagel today with cheese melted on it and an egg on top. A fried egg. Let's open it up quick. Sometimes we have this for lunch or for picnics. This is already sliced. But you could buy a big log of it and slice it on my meat slicer. And if we were having it for lunch or picnics, we would have it on hamburger rolls with mustard and a slice of onion. It's good, right? It's already sliced. Like I said, oh, I'll get the pan off. There's no casing on there. Nope. I'm going to use 2 right now for my bagel. And I like to just slit the edges a little bit so they don't curl up. You'll see as they fry. Put the other 2 aside for now. Let's get them sizzling a little bit, and then I'm going to fry my egg with some butter over here. 1 egg, cheese in between, toasted bagel, and everything bagel. That's going to be a good breakfast sandwich. You know I'm hungry for breakfast. Got some sizzling going. Let's melt some butter over here for my egg. Let's go butter. Let's flip these over. Oh, I got one. I got one. Alright, you see how they're starting to curl up? That's why I put little slits in them. This is good. Get it nice and brown. I want one sunny side up egg, because I like it like that. And some butter. Beautiful. Even for breakfast, this would be good with a hamburger bun. I think I flip them both. Did I get them both? Love it. You know how I like that. What a breakfast. You gonna make some? Taylor pork roll. Or Taylor ham, they sometimes call it. Love it. Easy. Oh. I'm trying to keep that egg small so it fits on my bagel. Well, it's okay if it hangs over. There's melty cheese in there too. Cheese is going to go between the slices. Oh, I got them both that time. Nice. You like it that brown or browner? I think I like it like that. Now while the bottom side gets browned, put a piece of cheese there, and there. Ooh, like that egg? A little salt and pepper, if you like that. Almost ready. Look at this. Let's turn down the heat on that. It's all coming together. All I need is my toasted bagel. Gonna make some? They sell this pork roll pretty much at any grocery store. Hopefully in your area. I'll off that egg now. All I need is my toasted bagel. Oh! Probably didn't even need butter in that pan, right? That's how I like my eggs. be a juicy sandwich. Eggy, cheesy. Put this one on top of that one. See what I'm doing here? Layers, everybody, layers. Yes. Bagel. Don't burn the bagel. Oh, but I like it brown. There it is. I like them brown. I like them browner than that sometimes. I would like to put this upside down here so I can put my egg on top. Oh, so good. No. Get back on there. You're sliding off. Alright, here we go. Look. And you put the lid on. This is an everything bagel. I like it like that, remember? I don't want to squash it yet because I'm going to get some yolk. But I want to sit down and take a bite. So that's my breakfast. See it? I'd put butter in here too normally, but I'm in too much of a hurry and it's going to be juicy enough. Now you could do this on regular bread, toast, hamburger roll, whatever you have. Ready? It's going to be good. Everything bagel. Oh! This is so delicious. Pork roll, egg, and cheese bagel. It's delicious. Okay, try this if you like. Try it plain. Try it with mustard and a slice of onion on your hamburger roll. I'm going to keep eating it. Please subscribe and stop back soon. You want one?
Okay.
We're going to make some more. Go make some. Talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Oh, yeah.